Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Congratulations! You just finished a live webinar. Your engagement was through the roof, your audience was thrilled, and your chat was absolutely buzzing with questions. It's a huge win. But as you close your laptop and the adrenaline fades, reality starts to set in. You have somewhere around 500 attendees, and every single one of them is expecting a professional certificate of completion in their inbox within the next 24 hours. This is what we call the post-webinar admin hangover. If you're still manually copy-pasting names into a template, exporting them as PDFs, and manually attaching them to emails, you aren't just wasting time. You're stuck in a workflow that cannot scale. Errors happen when you're tired. Typos in names lead to unhappy attendees. Today, we are going to show you how to eliminate this entire headache and put your webinar accreditation on total autopilot using smart certificates. We'll cover two distinct professional strategies. First, the instant feedback loop, where certificates are sent the very second an attendee fills out your exit survey. Second, the post-event bulk run, perfect for when you want to cross-reference your Zoom or Google Meet attendee list first, before sending everything out in one massive, professional wave. The most efficient way to handle webinar certificates is to link them directly to your feedback form. At the end of your session, you drop that link into the chat. This serves a double purpose. You get valuable, fresh data on how your presentation was received, and the form acts as the mechanical trigger for the certificate generation. Once we open the Smart Certificates sidebar, we click Prepare Form. This is the brain of the operation. It identifies which question is the attendee's name and which is the email. By toggling on the Generate on Form Submission feature, you are essentially hiring a digital assistant that works 24/7. We're now authorizing the background triggers. This is a secure handshake between Google Forms and the Smart Certificates engine. It means you can literally finish your webinar, shut down your computer, and go to sleep. The certificates will keep sending themselves all night as your audience finishes the survey. Your certificate is more than just a piece of digital paper. It's a marketing asset. When your attendees share this on LinkedIn, it represents your brand. With Smart Certificates, you use Google Slides as your design studio. Forget those rigid, ugly templates from other tools. I've added my high-responded company logo and the specific title of the webinar. Notice the full name tag. You can change the font, the color, and the alignment right here in Slides, and the add-on will respect those styles perfectly. Pro tip: use placeholders like date or webinar ID to make each document even more official. Because we're pulling data from the form, the name will be exactly as the attendee typed it. No more manual typos on your end. The system is currently scanning our design to ensure that every placeholder we created has a matching field in our feedback form. Now let's look at a different scenario. What if you don't want to use a feedback form? Perhaps you only want to send certificates to people who stayed for at least 45 minutes. This is where bulk generation becomes your best friend. You simply export your attendee list from Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet into a Google Sheet. This gives you a chance to clean your data, delete the no-shows or the ghost accounts. Once your list is ready, you open the bulk tab in the sidebar. You aren't waiting for a trigger here. You are the one in control. You can tell the add-on to process the entire sheet or just a specific range of rows. The engine is now preparing to batch process these hundreds of names. It's also checking your daily Google quotas to make sure every single email will be successfully delivered without hitting a limit. The email your attendees receive is the final touchpoint of your webinar experience. In the Mail Settings tab, you can customize everything. I always recommend using a dynamic subject line, something like, "Great job today, _name. Here is your certificate." In the body of the email, you can include links to the webinar recording, a coupon for your next event, or a link to your community. As for the certificate itself, you can send it as a PDF, which is the professional standard for printing, or as a PNG image, which is much easier for your attendees to share on social media. Once you hit save, your entire post-event communication strategy is locked in and ready to execute. Let's look at the payoff. I am an attendee who just finished the webinar. I fill out the survey, I hit submit, and look at that. Within seconds, the email arrives. It's branded, it's personal, and the certificate looks perfect. There was zero delay and zero manual effort. Now look at it from the host's perspective. Look at your Google Sheet. The system has automatically logged every single issuance. You have a direct link to the file in your Google Drive and a timestamp of exactly when it was sent. If an attendee ever reaches out saying they lost their email, you can find their specific certificate link in 2 seconds. Hosting a successful webinar is hard work. You've done the heavy lifting by creating the content and engaging your audience. Sending the certificates shouldn't be the part that exhausts you. By automating your accreditation, you provide a 5-star experience for your attendees while reclaiming hours of your own life. Whether you want the set it and forget it power of automatic triggers, or the mass processing capability of bulk generation, Smart Certificates is the tool that makes you look like a pro. Don't let administration slow down your growth. Visit Smart Certificates and gwaddons.com to explore our features, or find us directly in the Google Workspace Marketplace to start your free trial today. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more workspace automation masterclasses.